If you are tired of spending your entire weekend drowning in video projects, I have discovered 11 automation tricks that will completely change how you work. These are the essential time savers designed to let you stop worrying about the tedious busy work and actually focus on the creativity of your storytelling. I will be referencing powerful built-in features in editing software like DaVinci Resolve, while showing you how tools like Vizard can automate the rest of your process. First up, stop guessing your project resolution or frame rate and simply let your editing software do the heavy lifting for you. Instead of hunting through complex menus, just drop a clip with your desired settings into the media pool and let the software automatically conform the project for you. This might seem like a tiny detail, but it prevents those annoying mismatches that lead to stuttering footage later on. Next, enable live save and project backups right now, because losing a completed edit is a soul-crushing experience you never want to face. Set your auto backup preferences and timeline history to make sure your work is always preserved, giving you real peace of mind while you work. Third, you can maintain your disk organization inside your editor by dragging your top-level footage folders directly into your master bins. The software will recreate your entire folder tree automatically, meaning your B-roll and main shots are exactly where you expect them to be. Fourth, stop manually slicing through long camera rolls and use scene detection to instantly cut your footage into individual shots. Simply run the Analyze command, and the editor will insert cuts whenever the camera or scene changes automatically. Fifth, save your sanity by using waveform autosync to align your separate audio recordings with your video footage instantly. This removes the need for timecode syncing and works perfectly for run-and-gun shoots where every second counts. Sixth, for a fast turnaround, utilize one-click auto color and white balance tools to get your footage looking professional in a matter of seconds. While it is not a replacement for a custom creative grade, it creates a solid baseline that makes your work look polished and clean. Seventh, normalize your audio levels and use a dialogue leveler to ensure your speech is crisp and perfectly balanced throughout your project. It turns a messy take into something listenable almost instantly, which is a lifesaver when you are pressed for time. Eighth, leverage automatic color management to handle your log footage without the constant headache of manual LUT conversion. Let the software handle input and output transforms, ensuring consistent color regardless of the cameras or log formats you used on set. Ninth, if you are creating vertical content, use smart reframe tools to automatically keep your subject centered, no matter the platform. This is an absolute game changer when you are repurposing long-form horizontal footage for TikTok or Instagram Reels. 10th, always enable audio normalization during export to meet platform loudness targets for YouTube or streaming services effortlessly. You will get platform-compliant sound quality every single time without having to perform deep technical audio mixing work. Finally, number 11. Introduce Vizard into your workflow to automate the social media side of things, like clip editing and scheduling. Vizard uses AI to scan your long videos, identifying high engagement moments, and automatically generating short clips optimized for social media platforms. Instead of spending hours searching for viral potential, you get a stack of ready-to-post clips in mere seconds. Plus, the automatic scheduling features mean you can queue up your content without having to babysit your posting calendar every day. You can manage, tweak, and publish across multiple social channels from one single unified dashboard. While editors like DaVinci Resolve are perfect for polishing your master timeline, they often lack these critical social distribution features. The real magic happens when you combine the power of a professional editor with the automation of Vizard. You get to keep complete creative control while cutting your grind time in half and actually shipping consistent content. So try these 11 automations today. Automate the boring parts and start spending your time actually making great videos. If you have your own workflow hacks, share them in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more deep dives into my editing process.